guys, I hope you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhumi and I am a student of SK School of Business Management. I know some of you are familiar with finance calculator, but today I am going to introduce a loan calculator which is useful in a loan calculation as well as loan repayments. Let's find out the loan calculation in a few simple steps. First of all, go to the Play Store and download this loan calculator and then open it. First of all, tap on the any of the log symbol which you wish to calculate. So, I want to calculate interest rate according to my loan amount. By locking interest rate, I enter my loan amount. It was about to 1 lakh. And my loan term is about to 3 years. And my monthly payment is 3000. And my interest rate is 5%. And here you can see my total interest is 8000 and loan of repayment it is 1,08,000. Now I want to know about how much amount can I borrow from bank as a loan. So I can find it by entering maximum amount which I able to pay on a monthly basis for a specific time at a specific interest rate. So I log my loan amount and enter monthly installment, it is 2000, and enter loan term, it is 1 year, and interest rate is 3%. Here you can see my loan amount is 23,614. So my total interest is 385 and loan of repayment is 24,000. Apart from all these features, here is one great feature is a amortization table. So lots of people wants to know about what is the amortization table. So it is shows that the amount that you already paid on a particular period. Here you can see that if you want to check graphical format, so you can check the chart for your better analysis. Thank you guys. If you find my video interesting, you can like it.